There they go, man. The chariots of the Most High, brothers. We just seen two chariots, man. I wish y'all could see it. One was amber, glowing, and then the other one just, damn, man. This part of the building is blocking us, right?
Yeah.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
They still out here.
Hey, man, that's confirmation.
All over the place.
Hey, we didn't see one for like 2 months.
Yeah.
It was time.
Nice. This was clear.
Yeah, I know, it was time.
Yeah,
we hadn't
no, it
seen
was.
one in camp in a while.
You know, usually I got a strain. You like right there.
No, you saw it good. Hey,
I saw that was
saw
good.
it fast too.
Yeah.
You saw that?
It was amber. It was lightening up.
Two different ones. One was like white and the other one was amber.
Yeah.
And they they glue. Yo, man, we're in the right track.
We're in the right
The Lord
track,
confirmed it.
Yes.
We're talking about the downfall of this devil, and then the chariots show up. Man, they through. They through, man. They don't know what they messing with, man.
That's why
that time is coming.
That's why the elite's moving. They got y'all all carnal minded.
Oh, ain't no such thing as no angels coming.
Okay, whatever.
Call the Lord.
Whatever. Your ass about to be attacked, man.
I think they disappeared now.
Oh, you know they always around.
They're around. They
always around.
They chilling right now, but they just they here.
They here.
But they just want us to see them just for this moment. It's always in front of us too. They always right here. Sometimes they over there. Sometimes they over there too. And behind this building.
Watch me probably see him again as me backing up. Remember, they always come out when me backing up too.
Hey man.
Following us
hey
to the
man.
car.
Hey man. Call Lord y'all by Shem
This is the
Yashah.
first time you seen it with us.
Just thinking that because I always watch y'all.
Oh, see it. Okay, so this is the first time you saw it yourself.
Yeah.
Hey, let's change shifts. Let's turn shifts. Give me Psalm 68. Go to verse 17.
Zechariah.
No. Start at verse 13. I think it's 13 or 11 when it says